Ethan Roselle. I'm the president of Student Assembly at SUNY Broome, and I'm a communications major. For my goals after SUNY Broome, I'm going to go to SUNY Purchase and study film. I'm going to be a technical director first, and then I'll be a contracted director for a little while and direct people's stories or written films. I know my message and the emotions that I convey will change people's hearts. Life is very hard, especially when people don't like you for your skin color. Throughout my life and my mom's life, we've faced a lot of prejudice. My mom is disabled, and people think because she's disabled and Black that they can just get over on her. But my mom knows her rights even though she's disabled. And that's given me an example to not let people run over on me. It's sad to think that people deny you an opportunity because of how you look. That one decision affects someone's life so much. People do some cruel things, but that's not gonna stop me. As a Black man, I resisted every event that has come at me. And as a Black man, no one's gonna put me down, no matter where I am, how old I am, or what I'm gonna do. People can think they control me, but at the end of the day, I control my own fate. So I'm glad that I grew up the way I did. I'm glad that I have the mom I did. I'm glad I've gone through the paths that I took, and I don't regret any one of them. Because to regret your history is to put all your hard work in vain. And all my hard work was not for nothing. And standing right here, right now, shows my resistance and how far I've come.